Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, magsasagot tayo ng another geometry problem coming from the 2024 UP Math Wizard competition. So yung problem na to is good for 30 seconds. So find the area of the quadrilateral as shown below. So automatically, yung quadrilateral natin is an inscribed quadrilateral kasi nasa loob siya ng isang circle. So, meron daw siyang side lengths 10, 7, 5, and 4 centimeters. So, how do we get po ba, Sir IJ, yung area ng isang inscribed quadrilateral? So, ang gagamitin natin dito is the Brahmagupta's formula. Okay, so dapat alam nyo na to mga idolo kasi 30 seconds lang siya. So, dapat rekta na agad. Brahmagupta's formula. So, ano po ba yung Brahmagupta's formula, Sir IJ? The area of an inscribed quadrilateral is equal to the square root of S minus A multiplied by S minus B, S minus C, multiplied by S minus D, where S stands for the semiperimeter of the quadrilateral, which is A plus B plus C plus D all over 2. So, i-add lang natin muna 10 plus 7, plus 5 plus 4 all over 2. So, that is equal to 13. So, that will be our semiperimeter. So, we have A equals square root of 13 minus 10, substitute nyo lang yung mga side lengths na binigay. 13 minus 7, 13 minus 5, and 13 minus 4. So what you have is square root of 3 multiplied by 6, multiplied by 8, multiplied by 9. Okay? So guys, di ba alam naman natin na ang 6 can be written as 3 times 2. Tama ba mga idolo? That's multiplied by yung 8 is 2 cube. Ang 9 natin ay 3 squared. So that is square root of ilan yung powers ng 3? So 4 yan. Sa 2 naman ay 2. So this is 3 to the 4th raised to, getting the square root of 3 to the 4th, that's 3 squared multiplied by 2 squared. Therefore, the correct answer is 36 square centimeters. So ano po ba yung pinaka-importante dyan, Sir IG? Dapat alam mo yung rectang formula nito. Getting the area of an inscribed quadrilateral using the Brahmagupta's formula. Napakadali lang naman niya kung iisipin. So, it's just a matter of dapat memorize nyo na by heart. And yan mga Lodi Cake, sana kahit pa paano na-refresh ko kayo sa ganitong klase ng problem. And thank you so much for the constant support sa channel natin. And hopefully makapag-live tutorials pa tayo sa mga susunod. And thank you so much to those who keep on watching our channel sa YouTube mga Lodi Cakes. Kita-kits sa mga future tutorials natin. Have a great day. Bye-bye and God bless.